This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Make sure the device runs Android Marshmallow or later and has a registered fingerprint. Next, add the required permissions to Android Manifest and check at runtime that the user granted them. Once done, query the package manager and biometric APIs to confirm hardware support and enrolled fingerprints. This step prevents wasted work in your app. Now you're ready to create the biometric prompt and integrate authentication callbacks into your activity or fragment. You implement the core. Instantiate biometric prompt with a main thread executor and a callback that handles success, failure, and error cases. Then build the prompt info object with clear labels and a negative button that returns the user to a fallback. Make sure to wrap prompt. Show in safe lifecycle checks so it's not called after on destroy. Also prepare a secure fallback, PIN/pattern, and gate sensitive actions behind on authentication succeeded to ensure proper security transitions. You complete integration by tying the authentication result to app state. Unlock features only after successful authentication and avoid persisting biometric data. Once implemented, test on multiple devices and Android versions to catch vendor differences. If you encounter problems, first verify runtime permissions, enrolled fingerprints in system settings, and that you use biometric prompt correctly. Also inspect Logcat for error codes. Finally, provide a reliable fallback method so users aren't locked out of your app if biometric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.